Do it?
Yeah, started.
Hey guys, it's Elijah back inside Sonos, and today we are playing Roblox with my friends and my cousins. My friend is not even here, so I'm playing. My friend is not even here at my house.
Go.
Only in my friend's house.
Go.
You draw? How do you draw?
Oh, how do you? What is this?
How do you draw?
It's like scribble.io. Actually, forget it. I'm doing it.
How do you draw?
I'm doing this game. We're not commenting this Roblox video. We're commenting this
Summer, say
scribble.io.
hi. Hi. Did I see you?
Not even perfect. Go.
It looks white.
No, go. Yeah, like perfect like that.
Do you see it? You see yourself? It's a tree. It's a tree.
Guys, I don't know what game we're playing, so I'm just gonna pause it until we're ready.
You're great.
Guys, we finally found a game that
You're
we're
great.
playing, and we're playing Piggy Simulator.
Yeah.
Okay?
Where's Piggy? Where's Piggy?
I don't know. Just come.
Piggy's right here.
No, actually, we're lost. We don't know.
The mess out of me. I don't see you, Summer. How about this house?
Guys, if you're wondering why I am in a different background, I'm actually at cousin Elijah's.
Look at my clothes. Look at my clothes.
You look ugly. Get away from me.
No. I'm coming.
I'm gonna pause the video until we get out. Until we go find all the piggies.
Yeah.
Are you okay being in a YouTube video?
Oh no. No, I died.
Guys,
I want to see breathing.
okay.
Kuya, wait.
Oh, I made it.
Me too.
Oh my God, there's piggies. Use my pistol.
Yeah.
Guys, we're using our pistol. Ah, zombie piggy. Guys.
How many piggies are here?
Guys, I think I'm gonna do more than Roblox videos because every time when I come over here or whenever we're doing it, we usually do Roblox videos. But I need to do more than Roblox videos. I might do more than.
Get away!
There's piggies behind me.
Get away from me!
Elijah, where are you?
I'm fighting piggies. I see a lot of piggies.
No, there's like 100 piggies behind me.
How many?
Oh my God, guys, there's so many piggies.
Yeah.
YouTube, save me. YouTube.
I think the sword is better. Yeah, I think the sword is better. Kids are destroy piggy. I'm gonna get piggy to red.
Fight!
You want fight?
Go.
Don't push the headboard, okay? It's gonna come out.
I'm gonna try to get them.
Guys, I died.
Oh my God! No, I'm going to die.
Elijah. Oh, I have to wait 2 minutes.
Why?
Guys, we're just gonna.
Piggy Simulator is not even scary.
Guys, so we're just gonna have to wait until we're on the next
Pause the
round.
video.
See you guys soon. Bye. Guys, we're back, and now we're fighting piggies.
Get the piggy.
Elijah, I'm literally behind you. I'll protect you. I'm your cousin.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm his big cousin, so I'm gonna save him.
Piggies!
Got him.
Get out! Get out, piggy!
Summer, there's something like.
Someone help! Help!
I'm
There's
helping.
someone behind me. Yeah. Not that scary. I know.
Go.
Yeah. No, I died.
Guys, I know this is copyrighted music.
You died? Hi, Summer. Bye.
Someone save me. There's a bunch of piggies behind me.
There's a bunch of piggies behind you.
Ah! Someone save me. There's a bunch of piggies behind me.
There's a bunch of piggies. No, I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. You have to complete the obby to get a level.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
You guys, I'm actually high up. I can kill all the piggies.
How did you went high?
Because there's like a temple and you can just climb up.
I died.
I'm still alive, haha.
Wait for us. Why does this mean have to talk?
Come on, got it.
Oh my God! Why does this man have to? He's talking. I didn't touch it. How can I not touch it? We have to complete the obstacle course.
Elijah, I'm really high and I'm still alive. You guys are still dead. Elijah, look, I'm right here. Look, you see on my screen?
No. How?
Look, I'm right here. See?
How do you do that? How many piggies are there?
Right, 58.
Oh my God.
Everybody leave me alone. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna... You guys don't want to see me kill piggies all day, so I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pause it until I die.
Wait, I have to
see
leave the
you.
game.
Okay, guys, now we're playing BrookHeavn. Let's go up!
Where are you, Kuya?
Everybody give me all the money. Come
Yeah,
on.
everybody give me all the money too.
No.
I want to the lights. Yeah, who turned it off? I'm gonna turn it on back on. Come on, let's go. Where are you, Kuya? Do you know who turns off the lights black? Don't be lost because you can't find me when
I'm
you're lost.
I'm lost.
You have to ask. You have to ask. Come on, I'm following
I need
you.
an umbrella.
An umbrella is on is in your backpack. I got an umbrella.
Guys, leave a like if you want to see Elijah. You're not allowed to see him. Fine, you can see him.
This is my look.
This is my YouTube channel.
This is my look. See, I'm moving. I'm wearing. I have an umbrella. Taking me. Black was taking me away from you. Oh no! Alright, I have my umbrella.
I need to play basketball all day and all night. Leave a like if I said that before, guys. Leave a like.
Where's our kid?
I'm never.
I don't know where he is, but he wasted time. So he's not going to get a house or nothing. Pause the video. Live in the rain. My mommy's
sorry,
here.
guys.
I'm pregnant with the girl.
I'm pregnant with a boy.
I'm pregnant with the girl.
You're taller now? Okay, everybody run.
See, look. I'm pregnant.
leaving you guys. You guys can never find me, and I'm getting a different job, and
We're following you.
No!
I'm right behind you. I have a little girl, too.
Oh my God, we're all...
My baby's at the doctor.
I need to run! You guys are never gonna... Elijah, you lost me, haha.
Why?
You lost me.
I'm lost.
How are you lost?
I see
In the neighborhoods.
Am I by you? Am I coming to you?
Summer's by me and no one's by you.
Hello.
Don't go anywhere. Stay here.
I want to get a better house.
No,
It's not raining. Why is it not raining? I want to get the same house. I want to go inside.
Can we have the same house?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Found you guys.
No. No! Ah! Oh my God. Well, can someone play copyrighted music? No.
I want to go in your house. I want to stay in your house.
Why are you?
I'm birthing my baby.
Don't you dare lock the house.
Who wants to live with me?
Never.
Elijah, you always live with me. So go.
Why are you
Why
I'm gonna live with my
are you
cousin.
always running
I wanna live with my cousin. You don't live with your cousin. I live with
Go. Oh, God.
Guys, what is wrong with y'all? You never
Don't lock the door.
No, how are you guys never following it?
Oh my God, my head! What are you doing to me? You're glitching me. How dare you?
I'm gonna get a horse.
Okay.
No cars.
How did you get a horse?
You just need to go in cars and you will see a horse.
Yeah.
Ah.
Right. I'm running. I'm running.
I see you, Summer. I'm following you.
I have a black horse.
I have a brown horse.
I'm gonna name my horse.
I'm gonna name my horse.
Why are
I'm
you?
gonna name my horse Dreams. And
Why are
do
you
not copy my horse name.
I'm gonna put the color pink.
Open up. Let me get all the money from in here. I'm gonna shoot you. Give me all the money.
My horse's name is Karina OMG.
Oh my god.
My horse's name is Dreams.
Okay.
What's your horse's name?
Karina OMG.
Let me help. Let me rob the bank. Everybody give me my money.
Oh, Karina.
Everybody give me my money. You guys will never find me.
I heard money.
Yeah, you're at the bank.
But I'm trapped. You guys will never find. Look, Elijah. Go upstairs.
I know where he at.
No, go upstairs. I'm trapped.
Follow Dolly.
Wait. Summer,
Let me out.
you're too fast.
Let me
I'm
out.
not fast. You just think that.
Let me out.
How did you win it? Why are you shooting me?
Let me out.
I'm not gonna let you out. I'm not close to you.
Oh, no. Can I do my intro again? I'm gonna do my intro.
Why did you laugh, Summer?
This is my intro.
Horse back.
Yo guys, Daniela. Yo guys,
Get your
Daniela.
horse.
No, it goes yo guys,
Yeah,
Daniela.
got my horse.
Wait.
Wait. His Dreams.
I'm not.
Wait, how did you get your own horse? You'll have your name. How did you do that?
Everybody open up. I'm on a robbing bank streak.
No, we're not. I'm a police officer.
Oh no.
We need to get a job.
No.
We need to
You
get
just can't see your passenger's name. I'm robbing the bank with my horse.
Oh, me too. Where are you, Summer?
I'm
I'm
literally.
going in here to wash my glasses. My head can't fit in. Only my horse. Sorry, horse.
A YouTube video.
I'm making a YouTube video with my friend Summer.
You know your voice is
Summer.
recorded, right, mommy?
Summer,
Yeah?
I'm gonna be a police officer.
Oh no, he's gonna arrest me.
Look at my...
Yeah, I'm gonna arrest you.
You can't.
Yay! I'm a police.
My horse
I'm
is
coming.
open doors.
He's gonna arrest me. Someone save me.
Open the door.
No.
Open. I'm a police officer.
No. I'm
I
actually
need to get
stuck though.
have
I'm
to
actually
get a
stuck.
gun.
I don't have the card anymore. I'm stuck now. Haha. I need to go. I'm gonna go play basketball. See you guys later. This is my intro.
I saw
This is
you.
my outro. Bye today, guys.
I saw you.
Bye guys. We're gonna go play basketball.
I need to get
It's a
you.
s'more.
Where are you, Summer?
It's a s'more. And hello, neighbor. And today we are going to have a talk at BrookHeavn, baby. BrookHeavn. BrookHeavn.
What's BrookHeavn?
How are you doing that? Please, can you tell us how to be a YouTuber, please?
So you go up to the.
Please.
You go up to the head.
Why
When
is he so mean?
no, you go all the way up. When you see the only head, you press the head.
And you press jobs.
Yeah, you press
Please
stops.
show me.
You press.
Show me.
You press.
Please show me.
Press. When you go all the way to the top by the head with the pencil, you
No,
see
head,
it.
not
Yeah, head.
head. Then you press jobs, and then it should show YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber now.
YouTuber.
Wait, can you show me pretty, please?
Yeah,
Can you show me where it's at?
but go to the head. Only head.
There's no job for YouTubers like at a place.
Only the head. By the head with the pencil.
I pressed the head.
Okay, do you
Then
see
go
the-
to job. Oh no, I
go
forgot.
to YouTubers.
I forgot you guys
Sorry,
are.
I already know that.
I forgot that you guys are.
Yay!
YouTuber.
Yay!
I forgot that you guys are 6.
UT. It says UT.
That sounds for YouTuber. and I'm a